Okay, so now we're on the full man on the leg. So we're gonna start with the Psoas, and so, or the psoas, and so it's under here. So this one, it doesn't seem like it's very important, but this is actually the only muscle in your body that connects the upper half to the lower half. So this is really important. Also known as the hip flexor muscle. So it gets stiff there. So that is number 51. 52 is the Sartorius, and that one, I think the number fell off, but that is this one right here in my hand. This one right here. The longest muscle in the body there. Okay, so now we're going to go into the thigh, so the middle of the thigh. So 53, this would be the adductor longus. So this is going to pull the leg in towards the midline. 54 is the gracilis. This is going to be even further on the inside. So interior to that, that's the gracilis. 55, tensor fascia latae. I think that's one of my favorite muscle names ever. So here it is. All right, on to the back. Everybody's going to get this one right. Gluteus Maximus. Now let's pull it apart. Okay, Gluteus Medius, there's two parts. You don't have to differentiate between them, so it's Gluteus Medius. And 58, that would be Gluteus Minimus. This is a very deep muscle here. And staying on the back of the leg, 59, we're going to be in the hamstring. So there's going to be 3 of these. So here's the biceps femoris. And now we get into what one of the workout coaches that I have calls the Simi sisters. Okay, so underneath that, the one on the bottom, this is number 60. This is going to be the semimembranosis. So the semimembranosis, I don't know, maybe because it's underneath, maybe that's closer to a membrane. Maybe that'll help you remember it. This one here I've got in my hand. This is the other Simi sister. This is the semitendinosis. See if I can get this put together. Again, put these back together one-handed, not so easy. Okay, let's move to the front of the leg for the quads. So there's 4 of these. So this one right front here in the center is the rectus femoris. So notice it goes straight up and down along the femur, kind of like rectus abdominis, straight up and down along the femur. 63 is under this, I think. I need to take this back off. So directly under the rectus femoris, this is going to be vastus intermedius. So it's also in the middle, intermedius. Okay. Ooh. Now, again, if you remember your med term, 64, this is vastus lateralis because it's on the lateral side. 65, vastus medialis. So, again, if you know your anatomical directions, it'll help you a lot. Okay, let's move down into the lower leg. 66 is right here, kind of moving along the front side. This is Extensure Digitorum longus. 66. 67. Here, this is the tibialis anterior, so the front of the tibia. Here's the tibia. Okay, 68. Fibularis longus. I'm not sure if this is actually on here or not, but it's down in here. It's not labeled, but it's gonna be right along the fibula, so right along the fibula. Okay, 69, let me put this back on, is the gastrocnemius. That C is silent. Gastrocnemius, also known as the calf muscle. And then underneath it is the soleus muscle. This back on in a little bit. Arm just fell off. And last one, 71, this is the flexor digitorum longus.